Hey everyone, it's Network Guru here, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through the how to delete your Facebook account using the latest version of the app on your iPhone. You can follow similar steps on the other phones as well, so let's get started. Firstly, open up the Facebook app on your iPhone. Once it's open, navigate to the menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. From the menu, scroll down and find Settings Privacy, then tap on the Settings. In the Settings menu, you will see various options. Look for Account Center under the Meta tab and tap on it. From there, select Personal Details and then Account Ownership and Control. Under Account Ownership and Control, you will find the option to delete your account permanently. Tap on that. And next you will be prompted to confirm whatever you want to deactivate your account temporarily or delete it permanently. Choose Delete Account for a permanent deletion. Tap on Continue and you will be asked to verify your decision. Select any option or simply tap Continue again. You will then be prompted to enter your password to confirm the deletion process. Once you have entered your password, you can proceed with deleting your Facebook account. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so make sure you're certain about your decision. And that's it, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time.